Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 14 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll and find the sounds and vibration. Then let's scroll down to this ringtone and alert sounds and tap on the ringtone. So here we've got some kind of system categories from which we can choose the ringtone from. We can also tap on this device and we will be transferred to our own file. So if you've got something, for example, downloaded, then you will be able to choose it and set it as a ringtone. So I will pick something from the classic ones. As you can see here, we've got more pre-installed options. So basically all you have to do is to tap on the specific ringtone and check whether you like it or not. So of course you can check all of them. So let's pretend I want those visions to be set as my ringtone. So all I have to do is to make sure that it is marked and go back. After getting back to this sounds and vibration section, we can see that it is notified right here, so the name of the ringtone is visible here, and it means that from now on our device will use the chosen ringtone to notify about the incoming call. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.